We have finally made it to day 34 after the hair transplant, and we can now finally get a haircut. Best day ever. So before we go and get our first haircut, we're gonna go ahead and grab our Bentonite clay. Now upgrade it to apple cider vinegar with the mother. You live and learn, people. Once we get the Bentonite clay to the consistency that we're looking for, we're gonna go ahead and apply that to our hair. We're gonna thoroughly apply it to our entire head. We can even go down to our face and beard if you wanted to. Once we finish applying the Bentonite clay, I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit for 25 to 30 minutes-ish. And once that time is up, I'm gonna head right in the shower, thoroughly rinse out the Bentonite clay from my face, my scalp, and my beard. So the Bentonite clay literally sucked up all the moisture, toxicity, and oils from our face, scalp, and beard. Now we're gonna grab our strawberry mint shampoo and conditioner bar and apply that moisture and those nutrients back to our scalp and beard. Go ahead and grab your strawberry mint shampoo and conditioner bar on my website, thelatherspa.com. For the next 24 hours, we're doing a promotion for 15% off your entire order. All you have to do is enter code haircut15 at checkout. Now I don't want my hair to look extremely dry during my haircut, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my strawberry mint growth oil and apply a little bit to my hair just so I could get enough shine but not mess up the clippers. If you haven't gotten your hands on this oil yet, be sure to grab yours at thelatherspa.com. Use code haircut15 at checkout for the next 24 hours to get 15% off your oil. And we're looking good. We're ready for our haircut. And we finally made it to the barber shop. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna comb the hair away from the transplanted area because we do not want the clippers to touch that just yet. So my guy Clutcher understood the assignment. He went in with a 0.5 guard closed with the grain, trying to get the hair as low as possible so it can blend in with the transplanted area so the hair transplant could look seamless. After we did the 0.5 guard close with the grain, the hair didn't blend in as much as we wanted to, so we went in with a 1 guard, I believe, guard closed against the grain. And that worked wonders. And as always, we're gonna get our regular haircut, which is a low tempo taper. We're gonna go ahead and tape the back up as well. And now it's finally time to draw the hairline in. This will be my first official confident haircut without enhancements, but I mainly didn't want to get enhancement because I don't want to risk contaminating the transplanted area, simply because we're still in the early stages with it only being day 34 after the hair transplant. Notice that I did not line up the front of my hairline because that area is off limits and is not ready to be touched until 6 months down the line. We're currently at month 1. If you're in the New Jersey area and would love to get a haircut by Clutcher, be sure to download the Cut app and book your next haircut with Clutcher the Barber. Now of course we're gonna finish up this haircut in style with our new pomegranate mint growth butter. This butter is now available on the website thelatherspa.com. Use code haircut15 at checkout within the next 24 hours to get 15% off your entire order. Once we've applied the butter, we're gonna run home and immediately follow with our strawberry mint growth oil to seal in our butter. Once all products are applied, we're gonna go ahead and grab our soft brush, start brush from the crown, working down to the hairline. You wanna make sure we hit all 8 angles, 20 strokes each angle, do not miss an angle. From a distance, it looks like I got a full hairline already, and it's not even 12 months yet. It's only been 34 days. If you'd like to know where I got my hair transplant, be sure to check out the link in my bio. I tell you everything you need to know before, during, and after your hair transplant. And if you're ready to get your hair transplant, go ahead and click the last link in my link tree in order to get $100 off your hair transplant. This is what the hairlines look like on day 34 after the hair transplant. This is what the back of the head looks like. It's still healing, it's still tender, but we're getting there. That is going to be it for day 34. Be sure to follow me for more hair transplant updates.